care. Y'all go, the beach go and get whatever body I give it. Food baby and all. Period. These shorts kind of do like a little penis pouch thing. Like boys boxers do. But it's cool. You know, just pat it down. Everything's fine. Am I giving you like America's Next Top Model or what? Be honest.
You know I wanna. Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, or if you've been here before. What up, y'all? Today we're doing one of my favorite, absolute favorite type of videos to film. We're gonna be doing a try-on haul. So yeah, we're just gonna do a lot of tomfoolery today, and we're gonna try on clothes, and we're gonna dance in them. We're gonna make sure everything's twerkable because I'm going on vacation. Y'all mind if I start off with a bang? So this is dress number one. This gives me Miss Kylie Jenner vibes. Miss Kylie Jenner has been wearing a lot of things like pleated like this. Honestly, when I first saw it on the website, I was like, is this giving me curtain vibes? But it isn't. And I love it. And it like almost reminds me of the 90s. Paul and I love to dance. And I like can just see us having so much fun and dancing and breaking it down in this dress. I just like, I'm so impressed. I just love it. I just love the vibe. I'm really feeling it. And I think it looks super good in person. The material feels good too. So on the cruise, we're doing a 7-night cruise. So there are 2 nights of elegant dining. You dress up, you go to like a fine restaurant, you know, like that. So that's why I bought 2, you know, nicer dresses for the occasion. And I like, seriously, I love this one, but not as much as the other one. Y'all will see that. Y'all will see that at the end. I'll save the best for last with that one. Next thing. Oh, hello. Y'all cannot tell me that my body does not look banging. Actually, I'm stuck in my stomach here. Let me keep it real with y'all. I was definitely stuck in my stomach. So this is the cheetah print bathing suit. This summer, I kind of went crazy, bought a bunch of bathing suits. So I didn't buy any other bathing suits this haul for the vacation. I only bought this one because this year, like earlier this year, I went nuts on the bathing suits. I bought every bathing suit I even thought was cute. So just this one. Ooh, why am I falling over? So I just got this one. It is so bomb. It looks so good. I think my body looks so good in it. It's okay to have a little bit of belly. The reason I went for this bathing suit of all bathing suits is because I wanted something cute printed, but like super secure. I feel like I can actually go like swimming in this, and we want to do some like excursions like snorkeling. So I want to be able to actually have a bathing suit I can swim in without worrying about having a nipple slip. And now 5-year-old Timmy and 7-year-old Emily are staring at my brown nipples. Can't do it. So I wanted one that had some good coverage. I could act like I got some sense and cover my body. Material feels good, but we already knew that. All Shein's bathing suits are always good material, especially for like how low they are. Am I giving you like America's Next Top Model or what? Be honest. The fact that the first thing I thought when I put this bathing suit on wasn't like the Cheetah Girls is crazy. I was a Cheetah Girl stan. I still know every single Cheetah Girl song, like to this day. Cinderella sitting in a dark cold dusty cellar waiting for somebody to come and set me free. Next item is this bathing suit Coverup. These like type of cover-ups are really trendy right now, and Shein has them for like such a low price. So like I feel like I got it for a steal. I already had this bathing suit. I'm just trying it on with this bathing suit because I think this is the bathing suit it looks the best with. With the cheetah print one, I wouldn't try it on with those 2 together because I feel like the print kind of would have clashed with like the whole. So the cutest thing ever is I called Paul. Every time one of us go shopping, we like do fashion shows for each other. And he is away right now for work because he's in the military. So I FaceTimed him and I was showing him everything. And I tried this swimsuit on with this Coverup. And he was like, okay, that swimsuit is so cute on you. And he was like, let's do matching swimsuits. So he's buying like swim shorts that are this color. And it's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be such a cute picture. A cute bathing suit Coverup is always a staple for me in the summer or on vacation because I'm comfortable like just in a bathing suit literally everywhere because I'm just comfortable in my body. But I know some places are like, you can't come in without a cover up on, without shoes on, whatever. So something like this is cute because I'm not just in a bathing suit. I have on a cover up, but you can still show off your bathing suit. Boom, look at this. Y'all cannot tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. This is so cute. This is the Coverup. Also, let me know in the comments, what hair do y'all think I should do on vacation? I'm thinking about doing a straight bob or a curly bob, but I just don't know which one to do. Maybe curly, because curly will be less maintenance. That's something to think about. I'm really excited about this. It's so cute to lounge around in. You know, easy way to have an outfit and still be in your bathing suit. Next. Okay, this is absolutely the cutest thing ever. Now the only thing is, I know this bothers some people. I really don't care because like I just don't care. These shorts kind of do like a little penis pouch thing like boys boxers do, but it's cool. You know, just pat it down. Everything's fine. I think this is the cutest. This is so cute. I'm absolutely obsessed. I love the way that it fits me. Like I said, I don't really care about that. The material feels good and like thick, but like you won't like really sweat in it, but like the material feels good. You know what I mean? Like it feels thick enough to be good material, but thin enough to where you're not gonna be sweating and needing to put on 50,000 pounds of deodorant. And I think it's really shaping too. Like, I don't know, the silhouette of this, like with like the tie top here and then like where the shorts lay on my hips. Like I just feel like it's really like womanly and shapely. Like it like shapes you really well, I think. So yeah, so cute. Love it. Obsessed. This makes me feel like my IG fantasy. Like you really just feel like a baddie in this. I think it's the whole matching set thing, because like every single IG girl with a flat tummy tea sponsorship has posted a picture in matching sets at least 10 times. I don't care what nobody say. Like I am America's Next Top Model vibes. And what about it? All right, so I got 3 shirts. All right, so I got 3 tops to show you guys. Now, from what I can see, this shirt isn't like see-through enough for y'all to see my nipples, but if so, I'll just cover them with emojis because I don't want to get demonetized. But yeah, it is just this like tie front white crop top. Oh my God, I'm in love with this. I'm obsessed with this. It looks so bomb. Obviously it is a little short, so if you're not super comfortable with having all your stomach out, like you're not going to be comfortable in this, but I'm comfortable with showing a little bit of skin. All right, y'all, I'm ratchet, so I have little pieces of paper covering my nipples because this one like kind of is a little see-through. I would have to wear a strapless bra with this, but super cute. White shirts like in the summer are just so like ethereal, angelic. Angelic. I almost said angelic twice. I'm tired. Trying on white shirts is like so like ridiculous. You have to be painfully careful when you wear as much makeup as I do. It's just this regular one shoulder white crop top. So cute. Hides the belly a little bit better than the previous white crop top, so you'll probably be more comfortable with this one if you're a little belly self-conscious, especially if you wear it with like high-waisted shorts. Boom. Cute, little belly out, because I know a lot of people are self-conscious about their stomachs and stuff. Me, I don't care. Y'all go, the beach, go and get whatever body I give it. Food, baby, and all. Period. This shirt is a little confusing to get on at first, but then once you figure out like how to get it on, it's nice. Yes, so cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute, and like it has good coverage. I feel like if you have big boobs, you get this in a larger size, it probably still could cover you well. Don't take that for, like, no advice about big boob coverage from me though, because obviously I'm not qualified. This is just so stinking cute. I love it. I feel like dancing when I put it on. It's cute, got the back out. Oh, I love this. I think this might be my favorite of the shirts that I got because it's just so cute. All right, so next we have the cutest skirt. I want to wear this when I go to Puerto Rico just because I get like Puerto Rico vibes from it. Is this considered a mini skirt? Yeah, because it like pleats here. Yeah, I guess it's considered a mini skirt. This super cute red floral mini skirt usually would not be my style, but I'm trying to be a little bit more like girly and feminine and like frilly, lightly, like more delicate. I absolutely love it. Cannot wait to wear it in Puerto Rico. Paul and I are like super excited to go to Puerto Rico. We're both going for the first time. Paul doesn't speak Spanish, but I do. We're going to have dinner in Puerto Rico because our boat does not leave from the Puerto Rico dock until 9 p.m. So we'll be there pretty late. We get to watch the sunset in Puerto Rico and eat dinner there. It'll be so much fun, and I think this would be super cute. This skirt would be so cute to wear there. I'll probably wear it with the one strap white tank top, the white crop top with the one, you know what I'm trying to say. I'll probably wear it with that shirt. And yeah, so cute. Again, this is really good material and it's super comfortable, but this, like, it slits here like that. So like, it like is pretty short in the middle. So I'll probably have to wear like some shorts under this. And then I got this regular black cardigan. Now, the last cruise that I did was with my family, and we were on the same exact ship that Paul and I are about to go on, like on our vacation. Because I was on that ship for a week last time, I know that the dining room gets cold, the theater gets cold, sometimes the rooms get cold. So I just got a regular black cardigan just to throw on with any outfit, or like they have like movie nights on the deck. So I can just throw this on if I'm like feeling chilly, like while we're outside at night. You know, whatever. I have anemia. I get cold so easily. So gotta do what you gotta do. All right. So when I first tried this dress on, I was like, I feel alive. Like, this dress is just the cutest thing. You can like push it to ruche it up more and like make it shorter, or you can obviously pull it down to make it longer, but like you can put it like this and like it kind of shapes you a little bit more and gets tighter, and I love that about it. And I do not wear the color red a lot, and I'm kind of falling in love with it because it looks so good on me. I am like absolutely obsessed. I'm obsessed with this dress. I'm over the moon about it. I think it is so cute. It's so pretty. It looks so good on my body, and obviously it's super shaping, and it's just like, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. I'm giving you the ooh, ah, ah sensation. This is that second dress I was talking about in the beginning. This is gonna be for one of the 2 nights of like the elegant dining when you're supposed to dress up. And I love this dress. This is my favorite dress that I own now, like no joke. Absolutely obsessed, in love, over the moon. Can't deal, can't handle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love filming hauls for this channel because it's like, it's fun, and like I get to show you new clothes, and like that's the fun about like shopping and buying a bunch of stuff. It's like you run to show all your friends and like send them pictures and FaceTime them and show them the stuff that you got. And that's what this is. Like, we're all just friends and we're chilling and we're looking at all the new clothes I bought, and I get to just be stupid and just be myself on camera. Love it. Thank you so much for watching and enjoying the video. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what else you want to see from me, and follow me on Instagram. If I don't see you on Instagram, then I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna.